So today I want to show you how to add a bank on file to your Rocket Money account. Now we're actually going to be here in real time so you can follow along step by step on an iOS device, keeping in mind Android might look a little different. So we're here on the main page of our Rocket Money account. You can see over here on the bottom left, we are on dashboard. Now, if you don't have any accounts attached, you can see in the account section here where it says checking, there will be the add plus section, kind of similar to this down here that you can add. But if you already have a checking account, but you have a second or a third you want to go ahead and add, let's show you how to do just that. So what we want to do here from the homepage is go to the top left-hand side corner, and you're going to see the gear icon over here. We're going to tap on this. And from this section, we're going to scroll down kind of towards the middle where you see it says linked accounts. We're going to tap on this. And now from the linked accounts section, there is an option down here at the bottom that says add institution. So you can already see one of the accounts we have on file. You can unlink it if you need to, but again, you can add multiple. So we're going to click on add institution. And from here, you're going to go ahead and choose the company that you have either by this section over here, which are some of the most popular, or you can search for your institution. So whichever way works best for you, you can go ahead and do that. For our example, we're just going to click on one of these companies, and that's going to bring up this page over here, which is using Plaid to be able to connect. This helps you connect instantly and quickly. And we're going to go ahead and click on continue. So from here, it's going to ask you to log into your bank account. This is going to be with your password and your username as if you were logging into the website directly. Again, with Plaid, this is a safe process. So we're going to click on continue to login. Now for us, we went ahead and went through the login process, verification process as well. And we got to this point here, which it's going to ask if you'd like to share your information with Plaid. From here, we're going to go ahead and click on I agree. And now for the most important part when connecting here is going to ask you which account you want to use. For our example, we just have one account, so we can checkbox this, but you might have several savings accounts or checking accounts all together linked to this one bank. So whichever ones you want, you can click multiple or just one of them. And once you have them all checked off, we're going to click on the word continue at the bottom here. And just like that, you can see right up here, our new account has now been attached to our Rocket Money account. Now there is actually more to learn when it comes to utilizing Rocket Money, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep learning.